What happens to your body when you drink more water every day? Water may seem simple, but it is one of the most important substances your body needs. Almost every major system depends on water to function properly. Your blood, brain, muscles, kidneys, digestive system, and even your joints all rely on adequate hydration. But does drinking more water really make a difference? If you are not drinking enough water, increasing your intake can produce noticeable changes. Let's look at what happens inside your body when you stay properly hydrated. 1. Your energy levels may improve. One of the first things you may notice is that you feel less tired. When your body doesn't have enough fluid, even mild dehydration can affect how you feel and function. You may experience fatigue, headaches, dizziness, or difficulty concentrating. Water helps maintain your blood volume and allows your cardiovascular system to deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. So, if you regularly feel sluggish, the problem may sometimes be as simple as not getting enough fluids. However, water isn't an energy drink. If you are already adequately hydrated, drinking extra water won't suddenly give you unlimited energy. The benefit comes from correcting or preventing dehydration. 2. Your brain may function better. Your brain depends heavily on water. When you're dehydrated, you may notice that it becomes harder to concentrate. You might feel mentally tired, irritable, or develop a headache. Maintaining adequate hydration helps support the normal functioning of your brain and nervous system. Think about those days when you're busy, working for several hours, and completely forget to drink anything. By the afternoon, you may feel tired and find it difficult to focus. Having water regularly throughout the day can help prevent dehydration from becoming another factor affecting your concentration. 3. Your digestion can become easier. Water also plays an important role in your digestive system. Your body needs fluids to help break down food and move waste through your digestive tract. Water also helps soften stool. This becomes particularly important when your diet contains plenty of fiber. Fiber absorbs water, so if you suddenly increase your fiber intake without drinking enough fluids, you may actually experience digestive discomfort. A combination of adequate water, fiber-rich foods, and regular physical activity can help support healthy digestion. 4. Your kidneys can do their job properly. Your kidneys are constantly filtering your blood and removing waste products from your body. Water helps your kidneys produce urine, which carries waste out of the body. When you're properly hydrated, your kidneys have enough fluid available to perform their normal functions. You may also notice that you urinate more frequently when you increase your water intake. That's completely expected. But here's an important point. Drinking huge amounts of water doesn't flush toxins out of your body faster. Your kidneys already have a sophisticated system for filtering waste. The goal is simply to provide your body with enough fluid to function normally. 5. Your urine may become lighter. One simple way to observe changes in your hydration is by looking at your urine. When you're dehydrated, your urine may become darker and more concentrated. As you become better hydrated, your urine will often become lighter. Pale yellow urine is commonly associated with adequate hydration, although urine color can also be affected by medications, supplements, certain foods, and medical conditions. You don't need completely clear urine all day. In fact, constantly forcing yourself to drink water until your urine is completely clear isn't necessary for most people. 6. Your body can regulate temperature better. Water is essential for keeping your body temperature within a healthy range. When your body becomes hot, you sweat. As sweat evaporates from your skin, it helps cool your body. But sweating also causes you to lose fluid. If you are exercising, working outdoors, or spending time in a hot environment, you may lose significant amounts of water through sweat. Replacing those fluids can help your body continue regulating temperature effectively. This is one reason hydration becomes especially important during hot weather and physical activity. 7. Your muscles can function properly. Your muscles contain a significant amount of water, and proper hydration is important for normal muscle function. When you become dehydrated, you may experience weakness, fatigue, or reduced physical performance. If you're exercising, staying adequately hydrated can help you perform better and replace fluids lost through sweating. Water is particularly important during longer or more intense workouts. However, for prolonged exercise or heavy sweating, your body may also lose electrolytes, such as sodium. In those situations, simply drinking enormous amounts of plain water may not always be the best approach. 8. Your joints and tissues need water too. Water is an important component of many tissues throughout your body. It contributes to the fluid found around your joints and helps maintain the normal structure and function of tissues. This doesn't mean drinking extra water will cure arthritis or eliminate joint pain. But adequate hydration is still part of supporting normal body function. If you experience persistent joint pain, swelling, or stiffness, it's better to investigate the cause rather than assuming you simply need more water. 9. You may find it easier to control your appetite. Sometimes thirst can be confused with hunger. If you haven't had anything to drink for several hours, you may feel like you need food when your body is actually asking for fluids. Drinking water when you're thirsty can help you recognize what your body actually needs. Water can also be helpful if you're trying to reduce your calorie intake. For example, replacing sugary soft drinks, sweetened juices, or other high-calorie beverages with water can significantly reduce the number of calories you consume. But don't expect water alone to cause dramatic weight loss. Water supports healthy weight management, but your overall diet and lifestyle are much more important. 10. Your skin may look better, but don't expect a miracle. You've probably heard that drinking more water gives you perfect, glowing skin. The reality is a little more complicated. If you are dehydrated, your skin may appear dry or less supple. Correcting dehydration can help your body maintain normal skin function. But if you're already adequately hydrated, drinking huge amounts of additional water isn't guaranteed to transform your skin. Skin health also depends on genetics, nutrition, sleep, sun exposure, skincare, and many other factors. So drink enough water, but don't expect it to replace your entire skincare routine. 11. Your heart and circulation benefit from adequate hydration. Water is a major component of your blood. When you're significantly dehydrated, your blood volume can decrease, which can make your heart work harder to circulate blood throughout your body. Adequate hydration helps maintain normal circulation and supports the cardiovascular system. This doesn't mean that drinking extra water is a treatment for heart disease or high blood pressure. People with certain heart or kidney conditions may actually need to limit their fluid intake. If a healthcare professional has given you specific fluid restrictions, follow their advice rather than increasing your water intake on your own. 12. You may notice more frequent bathroom trips. There's also a less exciting change that happens when you drink more water. You'll probably pee more. Your kidneys constantly monitor the amount of water in your body. When you drink more fluids than your body currently needs, your kidneys remove some of the excess through urine. So if you suddenly increase your water intake, don't be surprised if you're visiting the bathroom more frequently. Over time, your body adjusts to your normal fluid intake. 13. Water can help you recover from fluid loss. Your body loses water throughout the day through urine, sweat, breathing, and even through your skin. You lose even more when you're exercising, sweating heavily, vomiting, or experiencing diarrhea. Replacing lost fluids is important because significant dehydration can become dangerous. In situations involving heavy fluid loss, especially prolonged vomiting or diarrhea, water alone may not always replace the electrolytes your body has lost. That's when appropriate medical or oral rehydration guidance may be important. This is one of the most important things to understand. You don't need to drink enormous amounts of water just because you heard that more is healthier. Drinking excessive amounts of water in a short period can dilute the sodium concentration in your blood. This condition is called hyponatremia, and severe cases can be dangerous.
Your water requirements vary from person to person. They can depend on your body size, activity level, climate, diet, age, pregnancy status, and health conditions. Instead of forcing yourself to drink a fixed amount regardless of your circumstances, pay attention to thirst and your body's fluid needs.
So, how much water should you drink? There isn't one perfect amount of water that every person needs each day. Your total water intake comes from both drinks and food. Fruits and vegetables, soups, yogurt, and many other foods contain significant amounts of water. Your needs can also increase when you're exercising, sweating heavily, or spending time in hot weather. The important thing is to maintain adequate hydration rather than obsessing over a specific number of glasses. Final thoughts. So, what happens when you drink more water? If you weren't drinking enough before, improving your hydration can help your body function more effectively. You may experience better energy, improved concentration, easier digestion, more regular urine production, better temperature regulation, and improved physical performance. But remember, hydration is about balance. Drinking too little water can cause dehydration, but drinking excessive amounts can also be dangerous. The goal isn't to drink as much water as possible. The goal is to give your body the fluids it needs to function properly. So keep water available throughout the day, drink when you're thirsty, eat water-rich foods, and increase your fluid intake when you lose more water through exercise or heat. Your body doesn't need extreme amounts of water. It needs enough water to stay properly hydrated, and that simple habit can make a big difference to your overall health.